The most common way to connect a soundbar, TV speaker, or a home theater to the Pioneer Xumo TV is via HDMI connection. But it requires some important steps for it to work properly. That's why in this guide, I'll show you how you can properly connect a soundbar via HDMI ARC or eARC cable to your Pioneer Xumo TV in less than a minute. First of all, make sure that your soundbar or home theater is connected to power, and after that, grab a high quality HDMI cable, then plug one end into your soundbar and the other end into your TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port. Note that if you connect it to any other ports, then your speaker won't play any sound. After your HDMI soundbar is connected successfully, you'll notice an HDMI icon appear when you increase or decrease the sound, which means the connection was successful. But in case you are not hearing any sound or you're getting an error, then you will need to make sure you have enabled HDMI CEC. To check that, open Settings and go to Antenna and Inputs. And from here, make sure HDMI CEC is toggled on. And this feature will also allow you to turn off your soundbar along with your TV. And that's all there is to it. Now you'll be able to enjoy content on your Xumo TV with high quality audio. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you around.